Or you may start, Mitch. Please go check if live na.
Hello, everyone. Welcome. Thank you for being here. Today, we're going to talk about how to build links for new websites with no authority. And here's what we're going to cover for today. First, why link building matters. Second, how new websites can get quality backlinks for free. After that, we'll bust some common link building myths. We'll also show you a repeatable system to boost your site's credibility and visibility. And finally, I'll share key takeaway you can use. All right, let's dive in. So before we talk about the strategies, let's make sure we understand first why link building is a big deal. So backlinks are essentially digital trust signals. So every time a reputable site links to you, Google sees that as a vote of confidence. So the more trustworthy sites that vouch for you, the more your own sites become trusted. And if your website is new, you start at zero. So no authority, no history, and nothing for search engine to evaluate. So backlinks will help bridge that gap. But here's the important part. It's more about having a huge number of links. It's about the right links, relevant and high quality, and also the trustworthy one. So a few good links can move the needle more than hundreds of weak ones. So quality always wins in the building. So next. Okay, let's have a quick question for you guys. So the question is why link building is important for new websites. Is it A, instantly increase sales, B, guarantees overnight traffic, or D, replaces content marketing? So go ahead and type your answers in the chat. I'll give you guys a few seconds to type your comments. So I see here Miss Shina says B, also Miss Casey. Miss J also says B, and Miss Jessie. All right, let's check the answer if it's B. So your site. So trust is what leads to higher rankings. Now that we understand why link building matters, let's talk about how new websites can get backlinks for free. So the first strategy is the most straightforward, free directories and niche listing. So So the key here is to submit your site to reputable local niche directories. So, but not every directory is on the internet. Just a few targeted listings can help your sites discover and start building credibility. And next, choose directories with less competition or those specific to your locations and industry. So this tend to boost your visibility and also credibility within your industry and community. It's a simple steps, but it works extremely well if you're new. Next, we have here contribute to forums and communities. First is engage in niche specific forums and social groups like Facebook groups, Reddit's communities, or other industry groups. Here you put yourselves directly in front of your target audience. And next is share insights and answer questions. So the goal here is to not to drop links, but also you genuinely contribute and engage to the audience. And as people start to recognize your name or your value, linking back to yourself becomes natural. So that's how long-term authority is built. All right, another quick questions for you guys. Which of the following are effective ways for new website to earn backlinks? Is it A, submitting to relevant directories, B, sharing insights in niche forums, C, dropping links everywhere without context, or D, copying content from other sites? You can now type your answer in the chat box. So I see here Miss Jessie says A, and Miss Shaina also says A. Miss Casey also, and Miss Shai. How about the others? Okay, Miss J also says A. So the answer here, let's reveal. Oh, the answer is A and B. So submitting to relevant directories and sharing insights in niche. Now let's proceed to the third strategy, which is collaborate with other small sites. So here, collaboration is important. So when you work with other small websites, you can go to guest posts or content swaps or resource page on link sharing. And this kind of partnership helps you reach new audience. Also, in the long term, you can build relationship or partnership. And over time, you earn your backlinks naturally. So the key here is to uh, benefit both you're helping each other grow and the energy compounds. And finally, one of the strongest long-term strategy is a content ideas that naturally attract links. Here you need to create content that people want to link to. You'll have a data-driven post and original research. You need to create unique insights that people want to reference. And second, how-to guides to tutorials and resource pages where you solve problems and provide value in your niche. Then also create tools and templates or checklists. So these are practical content that easy to share. And these types of contents deliver real value. So if your content solve problems, it becomes link worthy without you even asking. All right, we'll have another question again, guys. Which type of content naturally attract backlinks? Is it A, data-driven post and original research? B, random post with no value? Or C, copying competitor content? And D, irrelevant personal opinions? Drop your answer in the chat and I'll give you a few seconds. All right, I see few comments here. Miss Shina says A. Also Miss Jessie. I see also Miss Kissy Faye says A and Miss J. So thank you guys. Let's check the answer. All right, the answer is A. So a data-driven post and original research attract the most backlinks. Good job, guys. You got it right. Now, our next slide, we'll have here some common link building myths that can cause confusion and waste effort. So the first myth is you need to buy link rank. So this is wrong, guys, because the truth is you don't need to buy links just to rank. There are plenty of free backlinks, valuable driven strategies also like directories, collaboration, and helpful content where you can build strong and natural authority. Then the second one is only big website get backlinks. So not true also because small websites can earn powerful backlinks. So when you provide useful insights, resources, or solutions, people link to you regardless of what your size is or website size. Then lastly, quantity matters more than quality. Again, post because quality always beats quantity. A few relevant, high authority backlinks can far more impact than those 100 low quality ones. So if you avoid this green meats, you avoid a lots of wasted time and effort. So next year, our repeatable system to boost your credibility and visibility. So you can follow these simple systems. It's straightforward and effective. The first, you need to create, share, outreach, and repeat. So you need to create a valuable content, then share it where your audience actually hang out. You can check out the Facebook, Reddit, or other social platforms. You can then after that you do outreach to people who would find your content useful. Then repeat the process constantly. Then along the way, track what works and improve that doesn't. And always focus on value and building relationship. That's always the secret to steady link growth. Okay. So now let's wrap up this up with some key points. So first, start with foundational strategy. So like what we discussed earlier, we have free directories, forum, collaboration, and shareable content. This work even if your site is new. And second, prioritize quality over quantity. So because relevant and valuable backlinks matter more than those numbers of low quality backlinks. Then third is use a repeatable system. You can follow the create, share, outreach, then repeat for your consistent growth. Then for avoid link building myths. So don't fall for those myths or shortcuts. Always focus on value and real relationship. And above all, be consistent because small ongoing efforts adds up over time. All right. That's all for now. Thank you so much, guys, for joining me today, and for our live audience for participating in the question and answer. So I hope you're leaving with clear, actionable strategy to build backlinks for new site. And so remember, guys, keep learning, keep growing, and keep building those links. See you next time.